So rotation. So here we have to describe, first of all, the center of rotation, which is going to be always the origin, and we have to mention the degree of rotation, which is either 90 degree or 180 degree. If it is 90 degree, it is either going to be in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. If it is 180 degree, we don't have to mention that. So the structure is, the object is rotated about the origin at, we mentioned the degree, 90 degree or 180 degree. But if it is 90 degree, we have to mention is it clockwise or anti-clockwise to give the image. So that's what we have to do. Now we have this object, and if you rotate it by 90 degree in the clockwise direction, meaning in this direction, and this is the center of rotation, the origin, so the image would be this. So this is what it looks like if you rotate it like this. And if you take a look at the coordinates in rotation, the coordinates are always flipped. This one 6 2 would become 2 6, so it is flipped. Now this is observable, 2 6, and the x-axis is positive, so that will be plus 2, and the y-axis is negative, that will be minus 6. And so that's how it works. On the other hand, if it was anti-clockwise, it looks like this. It reverses in this direction. So again, the coordinates that we had, 6 2 is now over here 2 6. The x coordinate is now negative and the y is positive. So it's like AB is becoming like BA. X coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In case of 180 degree, this is how the rotation, you can observe it. Here 180 degree, we don't have to mention whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, because either way it will be in the same position. So we can observe what is happening. So suppose we have a different sort of angle like this, and we are going through 90 degree. So 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. This is what it looks like. So this triangle now has become like this. Now in the clockwise direction, this would be changed to this triangle. So the description would be, the triangle ABC is rotated about the origin by 90 degree in the clockwise direction to give the image A prime, B prime, C prime. So by looking at it, you can know that it is definitely going to be a rotation, because it is not reflection. No way does this look like a mirror image. So that's how you know. So reflection is pretty obvious, and rotation, it looks completely different. So it is just by observing it, it is noticeable what is happening. Now another thing, when we have a rotation, sometimes there can be a question where the center of rotation is not the origin. If the center of rotation is here, now in that case, when we have a center of rotation like this and we have to rotate it, then it would be different. So if you see the image, so 90 degree, when the center of rotation is here, it is rotated in this way. Now if we change the center of rotation, the image is also changed. But in construction, what we do, we take this center of rotation and we take it to origin by doing some translation. So 2 units up and 2 units left, and then we can do rotation.